I bought a $400 Megan Racing exhaust for my Civic, and this is me putting it on. All right, this is my new exhaust. We're gonna unpackage it, see if everything fits. So it's got some nice weapons on it. Looks shiny. All right, so if you look under here, I need a test pipe. I'm gonna have to buy it because that's a, right there's a 2-pin and that's a 3. And since I'm not running a cat, there needs to be a test pipe right here. So I have to order that, and we'll continue the video when it gets here. All right, here it is a couple days later. I got my test pipe in the mail. Hopefully everything fits. I got the Blocks Racing one. Hopefully it's good. I'm about to go jack up the car, see if everything works. Yep, we're cutting it. I think it looks pretty good. Let's leave it like this. No, I'm just playing. Putting the test pipe on. Seems to be fitting okay. I still got a little bit to tighten up with it. Should be good. There we go. Looks good. Looks sharp. Ow. I'm gonna come back and we're gonna tighten these all the way after we get everything else installed. All right, so I'm looking at this and I really don't know if it's gonna fit. You know what? We're too late in this. I'll figure something out. Okay. We're making progress. Making progress. You already know. I hate working on cars. Squeaky. Oh yeah, she looks met in there, bud. Fucking met in there, dude. Next piece. Already started, but just got the hangers up a little bit, and that's all. pretty good. All right, I got everything tightened. Everything should be good. It's looking really clean, actually. I'm really happy with the way everything looks. It fit really good. We're gonna go ahead and see what it sounds like. That sounds a whole lot better. I might take it for a drive. I don't know. But for sure, probably going to the car wash tonight. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.